Welcome back. In our earlier videos, we talked about what DTCs are, including confirmed and pending DTCs. Today, we're diving into a tougher one, Permanent Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or PDTCs. First, what is a permanent DTC? A Permanent Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, is automatically set by the vehicle's computer whenever a confirmed DTC is stored. It means the problem was detected, verified, and serious enough to be tracked for emissions purposes. Unlike other codes, a permanent DTC cannot be erased with a scan tool or by disconnecting the battery. It stays in the system until the car completes specific self-tests and proves the issue has been properly fixed. Unlike earlier types of DTCs, permanent DTCs can't be erased by simply disconnecting the battery or using a standard OBD scan tool. These codes are designed to stay in the system until the problem is fully repaired. After that, the vehicle's onboard system must monitor and verify through its self-tests that the issue is completely resolved. Only then will the permanent DTC automatically clear itself. Permanent DTCs play an important role in the Smog Check program by adding an extra layer of accountability. In the past, erasing codes with a scan tool could hide problems, which might allow a car to pass inspection even if it wasn't truly fixed. Permanent DTCs help prevent that. If a permanent DTC is present, whether or not the check engine light is on, the vehicle will fail the smog check. This helps make sure real issues are repaired before a car is approved, protecting both the program's integrity and air quality. There are some exceptions. A vehicle can still pass a smog check even with a permanent DTC, but only if specific conditions are met. If the car completes 15 warm-up cycles, which means the engine coolant must heat up by at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit after starting, and reach at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and the vehicle is driven at least 200 miles, since the last time the OBD system was cleared, the permanent DTC will be ignored during the inspection. This allows time for the system to retest and confirm whether the issue truly exists. So, how can you erase permanent diagnostic trouble codes, PDTCs? There's one way: automatic clearing after drive cycles. If the issue is fixed and the check engine light, MIL, stays off, the OBD system will automatically clear the PDTC after it sees no problems for 3 consecutive drive cycles that include system self-tests. And there you have it, Permanent Diagnostic Trouble Codes explained. Stay tuned for more videos on OBD2 and vehicle diagnostics. Until next time, drive safe, stay informed, and thanks for watching.